Today, I'm going to help you refine your search within MZ using a particular job title. We want to be able to speak the language of our role. To do this, we'll dig into workforce profiles that are related to our job title and use them to refine our search. To search these profiles, we'll begin in Profile Analytics. Ideally, we'll begin with a job description of your role. At the very least, you'll need to be informed enough on this position to navigate the sea of profiles related to the role you are researching. Let's say you're researching a pharmaceutical sales position. Let's begin with a job title. In this case, we'll use Account Manager. This is pretty broad, but let's start here. Clearly, based on the number of profiles, as well as the top companies that are appearing in our search, we're still too broad. Let's add a skill. Now that number looks closer, but again, let's validate our search by looking at some of the aggregated information from these profiles. We can see the top companies, top occupations, top job titles, schools, programs, as well as skills and qualifications that are related to our search. Let's look back at those occupations that are correlating with our search. It appears that we've located relevant sales occupations related to our search. We can now take this information, specifically these skills and occupations, and plug them into our other reports, like the occupation snapshot, and continue our research. We validated here that these occupations and these skills accurately narrow our search for this particular job title. We hope that was helpful. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.